ating finished product, ang ginataan na sari-saring gulay. Okay, I need to turn it up muna. Ayan yung ginataang sari-saring gulay na I'm preparing for my boss. And then, I'm going to, after this, kay luto naman ni siya, ready to serve na, I'm going to prito the eggplant and then this one, the bangus. Okay? Thank you everyone. Bola na Chimi here saying thank you for viewing, and don't forget to like, comment and share para na kahit papaano tulungan tayo ba. Salamat. Ano pangalan nga? Ano to ba? Quinoa si... Salmon teriyaki quinoa.
Yeah.
Salmon teriyaki with quinoa rice. Luto ng aking lady boss for my alaga. At the same time, nakakain din kami as our breakfast. And then the smoked sausage. Ayan. And then of course, ang fruits niya is tulo ka klase. Kiwi, apple, and pears. Ayan. Okay, this is for this morning. Quinoa rice. Briefing sushi. Pambaon ng aking alaga. Ayan, siguro pang breakfast yan. And this one is for baon. And there are shrimps also. Yeah. Baon nila love for today. Ayan, tatlong prutas na naman yan. Peras, oranges, at saka apple. And here. Kasi banat na naman siya sa kanyang mga sport activities. So, need na ganyan. And then this one here, water. Okay. Okay. Today's baon, pasta na may meatballs, apple na may mango, and ito, mga biscuits niya. You don't have sports kayo ngayon, ano? Okay. Sige. Okay, yan lang muna. For today's baon, on a Friday. Friday na ngayon, oh.
Yes.
On a Friday, since it's a long day, kaya may sport siya. So, yan. Marami siyang pagkain ngayon. Kasi gutom yan. Gutom yan pagkatapos ng laro. Okay, a blessed Friday to us all. Ang sarap pakinggan ng ng bird sa labas.